Hello mga ka-Arky, we are back live at Royal Northwoods Golf and Country Club.
Ang Arky mo naman, ang saya mo, grabe. Ang Arky mo naman, dala mo yung galing. Ang Arky mo naman, ang Arky mo naman, ang Arky mo naman.
Hello, I am Architect Carl. I've been a member in QC Commonwealth for almost 2 years.
I'm Architect Tim. I've been a member since 2023.
I'm Architect Kirby Di Marupot. I've been a member for 1 year.
I'm Architect MC Cursula. So parang ako pala yung pinaka
Senior.
matagal sa ating apat.
Seasoned vet.
Pero bagong-bago pa rin ang pakiramdam. 4 years na pala, correction. So 4 years. So far, maganda yung naging experience kasi marami akong natututunan. Marami akong natututunan doon sa mga mas senior na members natin. No? So, tapos ganun din, ito namang mga fresh and young,
Bloods.
di ba?
Young bloods.
New members natin. Marami akong natutunan actually. Yun yung isa sa pinaka gusto kong nangyayari ngayon sa akin, sa chapter.
What are your biggest takeaways from the different, I would say, generational wisdom we can get from them? Like for me, for example, especially in our chapter, most of our members are like bosses, owner of their own companies, very seasoned in their profession. For me, my biggest takeaway was a lot of wisdom in terms of really trying to build my career at such a young age because ayun, I'm still fairly new into my profession. So I get a lot of advice about how to deal with things, especially when you're young, how to slowly build your connections, your networking. I feel like that was such a huge impact to me because of, well, I'm not really surrounded by older people or older professionals, well, because maybe I just came out of college or all of my circles are still people my age. So it's been very nice to talk to people out of my quote-unquote comfort zone. How about for you, Tim? Especially from the young generation.
Yeah, actually, pinaka-takeaway is the guidance from the senior members or the more experienced architects in the chapter. So, parang it's been helpful since like sa family, I didn't have any, parang I'm the first generational architect in the
Nice.
family. So, there's no one to guide me or to mentor me like parang in a regular basis na ano. But in here, I feel like I can approach anyone and just like ask about any kahit small advice.
Sa akin naman, I enjoy sharing with you guys, di ba? Yung mga tanong nyo sa amin, mga experiences namin. So, nakakaano din naman sa amin. Though hindi naman kami yung pinaka-senior sa group. Kumbaga kayo yung bunso, kami yung nasa gitna.
Mga kuya.
Pero kami yung mga kuya. Pero kahit paano, marami na rin naman kaming experiences na pwede namin i-share sa inyo. Masarap din sa pakiramdam na nakakatulong ka din dun sa much younger members na
Parang
that
paying
look
it
up to us.
forward.
Paying it forward lang. Kasi ganun din naman kami. Once upon a time, ganyan din naman kami. So, pumasok din kami na wala rin kaming masyadong alam. So, ayun nga, we owe it to our mentors din who guided us. Kasi kung wala sila, wala rin kami kung nasan kami ngayon.
Outside the profession, medyo siguro masasabi kong busy din ako sa mga
Kung
extra
siya, jack of
curricular.
all trades. Lahat,
Jack of all trades.
So, iba't ibang hobby. Depende siguro sa panahon. Minsan, sinasabi ng pambata, I used to build and raise ng mga tamiya.
Tamiya.
No?
Shoutout sa mga
Kasi-
batang 90s dyan.
Oo,
Alam niyo
batang
yan.
90s.
Na pinabalikan ngayon.
Way back nung bata, parang hanggang tingin ka lang, bili ka lang ng base model. Wala kang masyadong fan to nung ngayon, may time,
Mm.
may money, may budget,
May means na.
pero yung time, ginagawa na lang natin ng paraan talaga.
Yes.
Pero alam mo, maganda siyang, kasi, lalo pag nag-build ka,
Mm.
tapos nagre-race ka, gumagana pa rin yung isip mo.
Yeah.
Parang nasa-sharpen ka.
Mm-mm.
So, kaya gusto ko yung na yun. Tapos, sports. Medyo mahilig tayong sumubok sa
Mhm.
sports. May
Anong
mga-
sports, sir?
Right now, ayan, takbo.
Run
Shout out,
clubs.
Takbo
Alright.
Otits Run Club.
Takbong otits. No? Huwag kayong magkakamali ha. Takbong otits. So, nasa running era tayo.
Yes,
Para
sir.
15 years ago, nagtatry na tayong tumakbo pero hindi ganun kaseryoso katulad ngayon.
Mm.
So ngayon, medyo tinatry na nating dumistansya.
Mm.
So ayan, tapos syempre, family.
Family.
Yan, hindi naman natin, talagang yan yung number one
Yes.
na natin. Sasabi ko bang family man ako? Siguro. No? Minsan mabait na asawa at mabuting ama tayo.
I like to collect sneakers.
Pa-
I won't
flex
say
ng
I'm a
shoes.
sneakerhead, but I like collecting sneakers. So, yun yung parang hobby ko. Tsaka yun na rin yung pag nasa-stress ako, yun, lilinisin ko yung sapatos ko,
O
titignan
bibili
ko,
ng bagong sapatos.
or bibili ako ng bagong sapatos, di ba? Kasi wala naman ako ibang bisyo. I don't
Ang
smoke,
ganda
I
mo
don't
naman
drink.
ma-stress.
So, yun lang, parang reward lang din. Halimbawa, may na-close na project, may natapos na project.
Yes.
So, parang
Milestone.
yun yung milestone Parang yun yung mo na
Wow.
etong sapatos na
Okay.
to, ito yung project ko na
Oh, sana,
Ang
sir.
dami mo nang tinapos sa project, no?
Oo.
Hindi, kada
Dami na
progress
collection.
billing
Sana
kasi.
bro, umabot tayo doon. no?
Hindi, joke lang.
Kumukurot, no?
Kumukurot lang. Joke lang. So yun lang. Sa sports naman, basketball, I'm a diehard Laker fan. Alam nila yan since
Okay.
college. Yun. Shout out Luka. So, yun lang naman. So far yun lang naman. Hindi naman ako masyadong sa physical. Wala pa tayong time dyan Pero we'll get to that. So,
We'll get to that.
yun.
Currently, pinaka-involved na community siguro. Yun, I've been playing football every week. Once a week lang naman. Tapos, shoutout kay Benny. Kami dalawa
Shout out Garelli, Don Bosco, Adult Academy.
Tapos, throughout the week, I do lifting, powerlifting, in a way, powerlifting and bodybuilding. So, yun, very active. So, yeah, mostly about sports And maybe a next one would be this, golf.
Yun.
Yun.
Yun, very into sports ako and very fitness oriented.
Outside architect, you can find me either currently nagpo-football from time to time, but currently part of ice hockey community, Hawks, Manila Hawks. So yeah, it's been nice being in communities like in sports. A little bit of also with gym and fitness has also been great because I believe communities can really tie us together. What type of maybe leadership or maybe vision you want to see and you want to maybe implement or do as the incoming board of directors?
Siguro more on just building what like yung nagawa sa 1 year ako dito sa chapter, yung sa nakita kong leadership ni Press Angel. So siguro let's just build on that, more on inclusivity of the members, parang yung mas i-involve natin sila dun sa mga projects. So para mas maramdaman nila yung involvement nila dun sa sa chapter. Parang yun nga, sabi nga ni ICP Gerard, parang parang hindi nila maramdaman na parang bisita lang, mag-a-attend lang, parang prepared na for them, pupunta na lang. So yung building on the sa experience ko in my 1 year here, so nakita ko yung si Press Angel, yung effort niya, tapos yung pag-delegate niya ng sa kahit sa atin yung trust niya sa as new members sa atin, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang nakakagana na, di ba? Parang uy, bago lang ako pero parang yung trust ni Press. Ganun na. So parang mas gusto ko pang i-expound yung ganun na to other members din na lalo na yung mga hindi masyadong active para siguro mas maging active sila, bigyan natin sila ng ng role or ng
Parang make
ng
them
assignment.
feel seen,
Oo.
parang ganun.
Oo, para mag-contribute kasi para ma-feel din nila na mas ma-feel nila na included talaga, may inclusion talaga. So
Definitely.
yun yung
definitely.
more on inclusion pa. Parang pa natin on broader scale sa yung all throughout sa mga members para yung mas maging active sila, mas maging present sila pag may event kasi syempre pag may role sila, obligado silang
Parang may purpose.
Yes,
Parang,
yes.
no, I agree on you with that, sir. Because kami nga ni Tim nung bagong pasok lang kami. Syempre, we're medyo nagsa-stand out kami, medyo young people in the chapter. Pero, coming inside the chapter, parang binigyan agad ako ng role. Like, Carl, pwede ikaw ba mag-host ng itong podcast na to?
Yes.
Sabi ko, hala sir, hindi ko kaya, bago lang ako. Ini-interview ko mga big time. Ano lang ako, fresh board lang. Pero I felt like because of that, na-empower rin si Tim in
Yes.
certain things na parang, uy, kaya pala namin to.
Yes.
Kaya pala namin mag-connect to people, mag-serve sa chapter,
Yes.
and to feel included in a community na baka for me and Tim, medyo isolated kasi again, we're young. You guys are all big bosses and kami, parang ito lang kami. Pero because you've given us this role, welcomed us with open arms, parang we felt, parang there is a community talaga.
Yes.
And there is no discrimination and parang very mentor-like yung naging relationships namin with all the other elder members especially. Yeah.
Ako naman, ang nakikita ko, kadugtong nga nung sinabi ni Kirby, yung inclusion sa lahat ng members. Hindi lang basta mabigyan sila ng boses na parang magbibigay sila ng comment dito sa mga inilalatag natin. I-open natin ano ba yung mga nakikita ng mga members natin na pwedeng gawin ng chapter. Tapos tayo as a BOD, nandun tayo to support, no? At gawa natin ng paraan na yung maganda yung nilatag niya at naniniwala tayo na magiging maganda ang impact noon sa lahat ng members. Gawin natin, di ba? Isabuhay natin.
Yes. Yes.
So I think one thing more, dagdag ko lang siguro pag mas maganda siguro yung i-set aside natin yung mga ego natin parang for the greater good ng chapter, hindi yung kung ano lang yung nakikita mo, parang ganun. So dapat siya collective effort talaga. Kumbaga walang
Collective
boss.
effort.
Oo. Walang boss, walang Kumbaga lahat tayo, pare-pares lang tayo dito, 'di ba? Kasi
Yes.
at the end of the day, ang ang goal naman natin is mas lalo mapaganda yung chapter natin.
Oh, yes.
So, yun naman at the end of the day. So,
Yeah.
Agree. Tsaka, yun, sundutan ko lang din yun. Siguro mas i-open natin yung communication.
yes.
Yes.
Mas i-open natin yung communication para,
Every member is heard.
yes.
Yeah.
Yun.
Thank you for listening, and this is your incoming Board of Directors fiscal year 2026-2027. Ang Arky mo naman,
Na naman!
naman!
Ang arki